got word that there's an SUV flipped over in the middle of the road, right down the road from Brian's house. So we're gonna go pull him over, I think.
Oh man, where's your orange triangle? Oh shit. There she is. Oh
Boy, this is gonna be fun.
Here, I'll run up here. Just watch this.
They're coming.
Oh man. Like old boy was trying to burn on it. Didn't go so well. We got a tractor. Okay. All right. Thank you. This is freaking rowdy. Adrenaline mega truck, saving the day. There's Bubba rope. You got it.
That's good, bro.
I think it'll buff out.
You got pulling home without a tractor?
Yeah.
Nobody was hurt, thank God. Oh boy. Oh.
All I got the chain.
Oh, that was pretty cool. We were just sitting there, guys, and I got a call that one of Brian's buddies needed some help flipping his truck over. So we could save the day. All right.
If y'all enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel. Hit that button right there. While you're at it, hit the like button at the bottom of your screen. You can also check out our website, killin'itlifestyle.com. There you can follow the Killin' It crew and order your own apparel so everyone will know you're super.
Killing it!